kahit 10 minutes. Okay.
Okay.
Ready?
1, 2, 3. Welcome to the Wake Up and Sad Podcast!
We are live.
So fun.
So this is the morning show.
Yes.
Na
Good morning.
wala akong... Parang I am the representation of people na hindi...
Hoy, gising!
Yeah.
Ganun. Napansin ko kanina pa eh. Medyo talagang,
No.
react naman tayo.
Ang point ko is...
Pod radio!
Pod radio!
That's what we should call
Yeah,
it. Forgot
okay.
about that.
So, yun lang. I just want to make it clear.
Okay.
Please do not expect na I'm like, tara guys!
No, it's not gonna be like, hi, good morning, welcome to the show, Wake Up with Jim and Sab.
Yeah. So ako, I like, so just to let you know, it'll still be the pod.
Kung may sabaw, may Jim, ewan ko, wake, come on, make up something. Sabaw, Jim, or something Jim. Pag-isipan natin yan by the end of the...
Your friend Nico is watching, by the way.
Oh, hi,
Hi,
Nico. Hi. Okay.
So anyway,
Okay.
I want the reason why we wanted to push for this, okay, is I was listening to this really horrible Audible.
Okay.
Okay. So it's like a something na naman to happiness.
Like an audiobook. Why do you keep getting...
It's an audiobook na naman about happiness na ano na naman ako sa IG Reels.
Why do you keep doing that?
Nabudol ako and nakailang refund na ako sa Audible. So anyway, itong
And it's all about finding happiness.
finding happiness, and every time I'm fucking listening it, parang ako like, tang ina mo, parang sorry, taga Harvard kasi yung guy. Tapos parang, I'm from Harvard and I did research on happiness. So parang ako like, syempre, you're
Malamang,
happy.
mayaman ka eh.
Gago ka pala eh. So anyway, so parang,
Malay mo,
tas
scholarship.
meron pa siyang part doon na parang, I went to Kenya and like studied happy. Parang gago ka pala eh. Parang nag-research ka, nasa Harvard ka, pumunta ka doon, nagbakasyon ka doon?
Oh my gosh. Galit. Okay, so mukhang hindi ka nakahanap ng happiness doon
Anyway, dun sa Audible na yun, sinasabi niya na it's important to be an informed citizen, but balancing your sanity.
Okay.
So this is what I want to do, what we want to do. We're gonna read the news para hindi na kayo kalat-kalat. Kasi syempre, if you're seeing it on your IG Reels, you're seeing it on your Twitter, nakakagago yun eh. So this...
We can do it together para you don't feel like you're alone.
Yeah, we're gonna do it together. We're gonna react together. At alam nyo, we have no specific bias except...
We kind of do.
No. Our only bias in this world, honestly, is kindness, love, wag kang kupal. That's it.
Tsaka...
So if let's say tomorrow, let's just say tomorrow, Sara Duterte says, hey guys, ito lahat ng dumi ko.
Jim, you can't. So I'm gonna stop you right there.
No. Wait, listen to me first.
They're gonna use that snippet.
No. Listen
Stop
to me.
it.
Listen to me first. If she says, hey guys,
Wala ako dyan.
Hindi. If she says na, hey guys, I want the Philippines to be better. Here is a logbook of all the criminals and all the dirty politicians, and I'm here to serve you.
That's kind of what her dad did.
Hindi. Kunwari, literally talaga. Like, ito na yung logbook, oh. This is the time. Ito yung deposit slip ni Blank.
I know.
And then sabihin niya na, I'm gonna live squalorly.
Squalorly in Harvard. Shut up.
I'm gonna rent a condo. I'm gonna rent a 4-bedroom condo.
And then
para I can be with the people.
Okay.
Oh, I'm gonna rent a 4-bedroom condo. I'm just gonna have 2 cars for coding.
Okay. And then what? So what? What's gonna happen?
Pero ang point ko is, we would support that if that person, if let's say, even a worse character, let's say, Bong Revilla says, hey guys, natauhan ako. I fucked up and I want to give back. Here is a deposit slip of all my money to the charity of Black.
And then, yun na yun?
Hindi. Sabi niya, and I'm ready to serve. I would say, okay. You help.
Ready to serve.
You help. After how many years? After how many years?
Oh, bigyan ng medal. Tang ina.
Okay. Binigyan nga. anyway, ang point ko lang is,
Yeah. So what you mean is like you can redeem yourself.
yeah, parang ang only stance nga namin is making the world better.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay?
Right.
So first, Chapel Roan.
Okay.
Labo.
Labo. And then, gusto ko lang i-shout out, si Miko had a great suggestion kung may sabaw, may jimigang. Kasi ang sinigang kasi ay sabaw. So, na lang. That's cool.
Nice.
Okay. All right. Let's get into it. We're going to read the news.
Okay.
We're going to talk about the news. And the hot topic, which has been going on for ilang weeks na, and we haven't ever discussed on the pod, is the infamous, the
Ano?
Adele Dazeem.
Wait.
The wickedly talented Alice Go.
So, before we read the news na Purdue has, by the way, shout out Purdue.
Shout out to
Trisha
Purdue.
is back. OG Purdue.
She back.
Anyway,
Okay.
but since what we wanted to do is before we read the actual news, we wanted to share what we know.
Kung ano na yung
Parang
ano
ano
natin.
yung IG real level of research. Kasi, sorry ha, before we start, can we have a golden rule na lang?
Yeah.
For dudes? Kasi marami on mga YouTuber and, IG dudes who say na, I did a lot of research.
Nanonood kang TikTok.
Kaya
Ganun.
nga, naano rin ako sa mga documentary. The recent documentary you watched, like, I was doing research about plant-based whatever. And then the footage is him on Google. Like,
Yeah, I saw that.
plant-based something. So parang,
Well,
parang that's
I mean, don't use the word research loosely.
Yeah. Parang go to a library.
Well, you know what? There are some, meron namang mga, ano ba, reputable sources out there. And one of my favorite sources is the Instagram of
Saint
Senator Rizal. St. Oaks. Well, pwede rin. Pero si Senator Risa Hontiveros.
Yeah.
And that's where I love it kasi she's maximizing the memeable stuff and the trendy, like the attention grabbing editing that will get the kids, right? Yung mga dug.
She recently did yung thank you so
much.
ano yung joke doon?
So we can watch that.
Sige nga,
Can you
can
send us the link to that? There's a meme, there's a viral video of Claudine Barreto na apparently like every time I go padala sa kanya ng sponsor, that's Claudine Barreto. Every time may magpapadala sa kanya, she goes
May
live. And then
pause.
there's a millennial pause like, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Yeah, so we're gonna play it for you guys later. Hi, Princess.
Oh, hey, Princess.
Okay, let's shout out the people who are watching us on playback. If you guys are watching us through Facebook or whatever, you're welcome to watch us. Pero we are reading the comments sent to us through playback.tv. Hi guys, Gian, hello.
And aside from the streaming, by the way, this is gonna be on the podcast.
Yes, we are going to.
But the benefit of being on playback is you can ask your questions here. We'll only read questions. You can be a caller.
You can be a fact checker.
You can be a fact checker.
You can be a fact checker
in those clothes.
I get it.
So
you can be a fact checker in those clothes.
So you can pag playback, you can actually call and then we'll just read your full name. So you'll stay anonymous and you can ask questions. So like a radio show nga talaga. And since I don't know if Nico Ramos is still here, pero
if anybody is an expert on Alice Go,
it's
feel
Nico
free.
Ramos.
Nico Ramos. Feel free to raise your hand or something or let us know.
Yeah.
We can put you on the stage and we can talk about
actually. Sige. So ako, can I start?
it. Okay.
Okay.
So
So
explain it to me like I don't know anything.
okay. So
Sino ba si Alice Go?
there's a mayor in
Hindi mo naman alam yung pangalan.
Bamban.
Bamban. Spell Bamban.
There's a mayor in Bamban, and it was discovered na she's actually a Chinese national who moved here when she was 13. And she created a fake
Identity.
identity.
She stole an identity.
Ganun ba? Okay. So,
Ay, sorry. Sorry, I think she may have stolen. I don't know.
So
I don't know
anyway,
anything.
So she's mayor, right?
Mhm.
She won, and then apparently because of that position, she has allowed a lot of pogos to
What's
operate.
a pogo?
Pogo is like it's a yung
Philippine
mga-
offshore gaming.
yeah, so it's like a building filled with
It's not a building. It's it's not a building. I mean, pogos stay in
yeah,
buildings.
yeah, sorry.
But it's okay.
So it's
It's a building. Yeah.
basically it's a bunch of Chinese dudes.
Yeah. Let's
That's-
try to be appropriate
That's
here.
true. That's
okay.
true, man. That's true.
It's true.
It's a bunch of Chinese dudes.
Bunch of Chinese dudes
It's a bunch of Chinese dudes who illegally
and dudettes.
okay and dudettes. Who, by the way, do you know that one of my favorite people in Linya Linya, shout out to Ina.
Mm.
Um,
It's Chinese. Ay, ang labo.
but why would that be a bad thing?
No, I mean, it's part of Pogo.
No. She was being pirated by a pogo. Yeah. Buti na lang she stayed with me.
Dapat lang. My goodness.
Yeah.
Okay.
Kaya actually yung mga pogo nakalinya-linya shirts yung mga yun.
Binibigyan pala. Hindi ko na-gets tong joke mo, Trisha. Bamban into the room. Ano sabihin nun? Ah! Bamban into the room.
So,
Bam. Okay.
itong pogo na to, yung mga pogo is basically yung mga Chinese dudettes
Mhm.
who tumatambay sila sa bahay or whatever, illegally running parang online gaming.
Casino, gambling,
Parang ganon,
ganon. Okay.
Kaya maraming mga condo dito.
And the issue about that is that they're making money and then they're not paying taxes to the government.
Yeah. oo.
Yes, okay.
So, yun. Tapos,
Okay.
the last thing I saw about si Go was her being grilled by Senator Risa.
Yeah.
Yung, ano yun? Yung, what's your favorite? Name a childhood memory.
Hindi ko na po maalala. Hindi mo alam kung saan ka lumaki? Hindi ko na po maalala. Ano pangalan ng teacher mo? Ano pangalan ng teacher niya? Ruby Lynn. Asa na siya ngayon? Hindi ko po alam.
And then, yun nga,
May kapatid ka? Hindi ko na
tas
po
yun nga,
maalala.
she used to be a farmer in those
She used
clothes.
to be a-
She kept saying na nasa farm daw sila. She doesn't remember who her parents, she doesn't know who her she says that her father daw,
Don't you know who my father is?
her father left her with the workers.
Okay.
So yun daw, yun yung point niya. Na parang,
They're in a farm.
they were in a farm, her father was with the parents. Yun yung line pala. Thanks, Steph. Lumaki po ako sa farm. Lumaki po ako
Maganda
sa farm.
ng joke.
Paulit-ulit.
Miss Alice L. Go. L is for lumaki po ako sa farm.
Sino yung isang nag-grill?
Lauren Legarda.
Yeah. Okay. Anyway, so now we can.
So the issue here is there are a lot of issues. Firstly, you cannot be in a position you cannot hold a government position if you are not a Filipino citizen, tama?
Yeah,
And she is not.
she is not.
She is not because her name is fake, her identity is fake, and apparently there is another Alice Leal Go, and she just disappeared. Right? No one knows where she is. Yeah. So
And also, yung when they asked her, parang ano yun? Parang
it's like two realities. It's like lumaki ako sa farm, I don't know anything. Biglang boom, sports car, boom, helicopter.
actually, I've never.
She had a sports car
Hindi ko alam yun.
na magkano yung sports car? I-fact check nyo nga kami.
Okay, we can now we can watch now the thing, right? Okay, so this is what we're gonna do with playback. We're gonna watch it live. We're gonna see. We're gonna react to it. Let's see
Okay.
kung gagana to.
Okay.
But this is on.
Ito muna ba? Ito muna.
This is you thank you so much muna. O
Thank
sige.
you
Pero
so
anyway, before that, thank you so much.
Thank you. Wait.
That's Claudine Barreto.
Yeah, that's Claudine Barreto.
Oh.
Okay. Wow.
Do
Wait.
you guys hear the audio? And can you let's hindi pa pala. Okay.
Not yet,
Okay,
not yet.
we're gonna
But,
stream it
ayan.
now.
Okay.
Working?
Thank you so much. 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 Hello and thank you so much.
Wait, so bakit kaya ano yung ano doon? The person was not
What?
hindi
Wala lang. Ganun lang. Wala lang.
Walang time to edit or
I think it's a story. I don't know. So I guess like wala.
so parang game.
Oh, yeah. it's great editing kasi.
Oh,
Yeah.
so Laika says, Alice Go owns a McLaren.
Yun. Is that a car? Yun yung sinasabi.
I don't even know what a McLaren is. All I know is
Is it
I
McLaren a
played
drink?
on it on PlayStation 1 Gran Turismo.
Ang McLaren. Okay, eto na.
You share. We're gonna
Share. There we go. Okay.
working.
Ako na extension po within the
I'm
days na
sorry.
binigay ko po yung contract
No, I'm
po.
sorry, Mayor. You promised to
Apo.
tell the committee the name of this British company. So please,
Okay, ko-confirm ko lang po para sigurado. Kasi
bakit hindi nyo alam, Mayor? Pagkatapos nung nakaraang hearing, kumontak po kami sa CAAP. Active pa po ang registration ng chopper niyo
Apo.
na nasa pangalan nyo.
Yes po, Your Honor.
So can you explain
So she
this?
owns
Bakit
the
sinabi
chopper.
nyong binenta nyo na ito samantalang lumalabas, kayo pa rin yung may-ari?
Your Honor,
Binenta
ang
niya.
kontrata po namin yan ay deed of absolute sale po. Ay deed of conditional sale po pala. Babayaran po siya in next 6 months po. Installment din po. After po mabayaran po, mag-execute na po ako ng deed of sale po sa kanila.
So habang hindi pa deed of sale na consummated, kayo pa rin yung may-ari.
Hindi na po kasi nagbabayad po siya sa akin ng installment po na 6 months po.
So sinong may-ari?
Meron po isang British company po.
Anong klaseng British company yun? Bibili ng chopper tapos on installment.
Your Honor, provide ko na lang po yung details po na lahat po sa inyo para mas ma-investigate nyo po na ano po.
Playbackers,
Actually,
comment nga.
Last
Like,
hearing nyo pa kasi
explain it.
sinabi na ibinenta nyo sa British company. And
Apo.
last hearing nyo pa pinangako ibigay yung pangalan. So anong pangalan ng British company?
Your Honor, okay lang po. Hingi po ako ng extension po within the day
I'm
po.
sorry.
Bigay ko po yung contract
I'm
po.
sorry, Mayor. Binigyan
Sige
na po kayo ng ilang araw mula nung nakaraang hearing and you promised to
Apo.
tell the committee the name of this British company. So please,
Apo, ngayon, ano yun
yes,
po na po?
opo. I need the answer now. Kasi dapat hindi ganitong kahirap magtanungan ng magkatrabaho sa gobyerno. Kung facts yan, dapat na ibibigay natin sa isa't isa.
Apo.
Hindi yung humingi kayo ng palugit noon, ibinigay naman ng chair. Ngayon, ipa-follow up po, hihingi na naman kayo ng palugit. No, please, if there's any truth to that sale to a British company, ano po yung pangalan ng British company na yan?
Opo, Your Honor. Iko-confirm ko lang po para sigurado po.
Ko-confirm nyo yung pangalan?
Opo, iko-confirm ko lang po para sigurado. Kasi,
Bakit hindi nyo alam, Mayor? Binenta nyo sa kanila, they owe you money. Babayaran kayo on installment for 6 months.
Oo nga.
Ano pong pangalan ng British company na yan?
Your Honor, yung pangalan po, ang na-execute po is yung lawyer. Kaya iko-confirm ko lang po para sigurado
Sinong
po.
lawyer?
Lawyer ko po.
Anong pangalan ng lawyer nyo?
Hindi ko.
Attorney Phil Joy.
Attorney Phil Joy.
Opo.
Apelyido nila yung Phil Joy?
Phil Joy po, Baluyot po.
Baluyot. Andito ba si Attorney Baluyot?
Opo, wala po. Ang pangalan po ng company po, New Summit Industries Limited po.
New Summit Industries Limited.
Opo.
Anong negosyo nitong New Summit Industries Limited?
I believe po, ang negosyo din po nila is chopper din po.
Chopper din. So,
Opo.
chopper ang negosyo nila pero bumili sila ng second-hand chopper sa inyo.
Ang pagkakalam ko po, Your Honor, matagal daw po ang waiting time po ng Lion Air po ngayon. At it so happen po, binibenta ko po dahil ang gusto ko naman po talagang negosyo po doon sa chopper ay gagawin po siya parang air taxi. However po, hindi po nag-push through, binenta ko na lang po.
So, itong New Summit Industries Limited, nasa chopper business, pero hindi makabayad sa inyo ng cash, magbabayad sa inyo on installment over 6 months.
Yan po yung usapan po namin, Your Honor.
Alright. Alam nyo, Mayor, hindi kailangan ganitong kahirap.
Opo.
sumagot sa tanong ng Senate committee
Oh
na
my
kailangan
goodness.
parang halos kalad ka rin mula sa loob ninyo.
Teresa is my spirit animal on all
Grabe.
things.
Grabe. Okay, let's read our
Wait,
our,
so the
ano,
question is, what's going on with the chopper? Ano nangyayari doon? Bakit? Why parang ano yung obvious, she owns a chopper and then
because she said hindi daw siya mayaman, 'di ba? Yun yung
Tama.
claim niya. Hindi ako mayaman. So sabi, teka, may chopper ka, 'di ba? Ay, hindi na po sa akin yung binenta ko na po yun. Oh, so they're like, oh, so sino may-ari? It's on the papers, it's still her. So she said, no, nagbayad pa kasi sila, so parang hindi pa absolute yung sale.
So, hindi, pero what did she say na, where did she get the chopper from?
I don't think she answered that
Can you guys,
question.
pwedeng pa,
Ayan, no, it's being used to escort fugitives.
oh, shit.
Play niya din po yung kay Senator Legarda. Link, please. Also, puro luxury brands ang suot niya from head to toe. Sabi niya, hiram lang yung McLaren na car, tapos yung chopper daw binenta na.
So how does she claim na she was able to afford a chopper?
Kapatid. Yan.
Hindi, pero she's saying she sold it for installment.
Yeah.
How does she explain
Where
her
she
being
got
able
it.
to buy the chopper?
Yung chopper,
And ano yung
hati
galing-
daw sila ng dad niya.
Yun yung sinasabi niya.
Yung fugitives na sinasabi are the biggest scam in SG. Funds from her dad, ang sabi niya. Her dad na hindi niya kilala, di ba? Sabi niya.
Hindi. She says na her
Okay.
dad daw was a loving
Okay.
father, and then yun nga yung
Okay.
tinanong nila Senator Risa na parang loving father pero wala kang kahit anong memory about him.
Ito. Wait. Kamot ulo moments.
Okay, we're gonna play
Okay.
another.
Pwede pa hanap rin ako ng Lauren Legarda. Okay.
You think the audio is gonna be recorded for
Yes.
Your parents are listed nga as married. Meron pang date of marriage, no? Yung
Sure.
October 14, ito, 1982. Oh, date of marriage. Paano mangyayaring kasal sila kung sabi mo, ang birth mother mo ay yung kasambahay sa bahay ng tatay at nanay mo?
Your Honor, as much as possible, ayaw ko na po sumagot ng hindi ko po alam. Pero hindi ko po talaga alam at hindi po ako yung nag-prepare po nung birth certificate ko po.
So anong pangalan ng British company?
Your Honor, okay lang po. Hingi po ako ng extension po within the day po. Nilagay ko po yung contract
No,
po.
I'm sorry, Mayor. Binigyan
Sige
na
po.
po kayo ng
Mash up.
ilang araw mula nung nakaraang hearing and you promised to
Apo.
tell the committee the name of this British company. So please,
Apo, ngayon, ano yun
yes,
po na po?
opo. I need the answer now. Kanino po yung McLaren?
Roy...
Hindi
Confirm
nyo
ko na
alam
po.
yung nagpahiram sa inyo ng 33 million pesos.
Rodrina,
18 million pesos ang duties niyan. Siguro naman, alam niya yung pangalan niyo dahil pinahiram niya ang napakamahal na kotse. Hindi po laughing matter.
sorry po.
Alam niyo po ba na yung mga co-incorporators nyo sa Baofu ay mga money launderers?
Your Honor, nalaman ko po kahapon to sa Facebook post niyo po.
Can you confirm that these assets are yours? Mga lupa, mga buildings, mga sasakyan.
Hindi po masyado clear po sa akin.
Kayo lang ang nakilala kong tao na hindi daw kilala ang kapatid pero magkasama sa travel abroad. Nakikipag-partner sa milyong-milyong pisong negosyo na di kilala ang kasosyo.
Oh my God.
Humihiram ng kotse pero di alam ang pangalan ng hiniraman.
Oh my God.
Nagbenta ng chopper at may utang pa sa inyo pero di kilala ang pangalan ng sisingilin.
Kamot ulo na lang. Oh my gosh.
Ang lala
Grabe.
pala. Dami ko pang hindi
Oh
alam.
my gosh. Wow. Yeah.
Oh, Lord.
Gusto ko yung hindi po ito laughing matter. Oh my goodness. Okay.
That's insane.
Yeah.
So, what is I
Ano?
guess, ano yung...
Grabe yung hindi niya alam yung mga kasama niya are bad guys. Nalaman ko lang po sa Facebook post ninyo. Ayun.
Tapos ang lala nung yung ikaw lang ang kilala.
Ayun nga.
Ikaw lang ang kilala ko na. Hindi kilala ang kapatid, pero kasama mag-travel. Oh my God.
Wait, ito. This is yung kay, they're asking to stream this one. May nag-share na sa amin.
Pinas.
Sa Bamban po.
Saan po kayo napanganak?
Nakita ko po dito po sa birth certificate ko po, Hilot po at iniwanan po ako ng nanay.
Hindi, saan kayo napanganak?
Nakita ko po dito sa birth certificate ko po, Hilot.
Hindi ko po tinatanong yung proseso ng papanganak sa inyo. Saan po? Saan pong lugar? Sa Pilipinas, sa Central Luzon, sa Tarlac o sa Banban?
Tarlac po.
Saan po sa Tarlac?
Matatalaib Tarlac po.
Ano po?
Matatalaib Tarlac
Is that
po.
the barangay?
Yes po, nakita ko po dito sa birth certificate ko po.
No, you would have recollection of your childhood, right? Can you just give us a recollection of your childhood? Sino po yung best friend nyo? Saan po kayo nag-aral? Kung meron kayong makamag-anak? Recollections of, you're only 38 years old. You will remember your childhood. I mean, I'm double your age, but I would remember my childhood in Malabon. Your childhood. I know homeschool. I can't believe anyone is totally homeschooled all her life. Yes. Please tell us about your childhood.
Your Honor, lumaki po ako sa farm.
Which farm? Which farm? In what barangay? In what LGU?
Barangay Virgen de los Remedios. Bamban Tarlac din po. Different po from the one po sa QJJ, yung katabi lang po niya. Nabenta po siya year 2000. Hindi ko po maalala yung date kung kailan po siya nabenta. Tapos nakabili po ulit ng property po sa tabi at doon po nagtayo ulit. Lumaki po ako sa farm, Your Honor. Tinago po ako ng tatay ko po. Lumaki po ako na ako lang po. Pinupuntahan po ako ng tatay ko po araw-araw.
Isa ka lang,
Lumaki
girl.
kayo mag-isa.
Kasama ko po ang katulong, kasama ko po yung mga kasamahan ko po sa farm. And
Sino po yung mga kasamahan nyo sa farm? Sino yung katulong na naaalala nyo, pangalan, nationality, at sino yung nag-alaga mula kayong napanganak 38 years ago? At binibisita kayong ama nyo mula saan? Sa bansang Sina. At tell us about your childhood.
Your Honor, sa farm po ako lumaki, sa Bamban po ako lumaki. Lumaki po ako mag-isa, pinupuntahan po ako ng tatay ko. How I wish po...
No, okay. You cannot grow up alone from a time you were born.
Opo.
So the formative years from a time your mother birthed you up to perhaps 10 years old, sino po yung inyong naging caregiver o yaya? Hindi naman pwedeng mag-isa lang po kayo sa farm. Binibisita kayo ng ama nyo mula saan. So sino po yung sabi nyong kasambahay nyo na nagpalaki sa inyo? Sino po yung sabi nyong mga kaibigan nyo, kasama nyo sa farm? Sino po? Para may... In short, I'll be very honest.
Apo.
Please convince us that you were born in the Philippines, that you are Filipino, and that you are not what people suspect you to be. Dediretsuin ko na po. Kumbinsihin mo kami kasi hindi po pwedeng hindi nyo maalala yung inyong first
I guess my question
few
is,
years of living na formative. Ban, you are feeling scripted. So convince na binibisita.
Ako po ay lumaki po sa Barangay Virgen de los Remedios, Bamban Tarlac po. Ako po ay isang Filipino. Lumaki po ako kasama po yung mga empleyado po namin sa farm. Ipaprovide ko rin po yung mga pangalan. Come and go din po naman kasi yung mga naging empleyado po. 38 years ago po, Madam Senador, wala po ako talagang maalala ng sobra. Pero meron pa po ako isang kasama ngayon po na matagal na po sa amin, si Mang Boy po, na hanggang ngayon kasama ko pa rin po siya.
Okay.
Siguro first my question is, how she sounds Filipino naman.
She does.
So my question is, how should she have answered? Kasi kung tinanong ka nga,
Ikaw, sige nga, anong childhood mo? Tell me about your childhood.
I would
Childhood
say,
recollection.
I was raised by my father and my mother. Their names are...
Saan ka lumaki?
Yan.
Oh, di ba? Saan ka
Sa
lumaki?
Quezon City.
Oh. Like, you would remember a lot of stuff.
Yeah.
Like, we
I
grew
went
up
to
in
this
Katipunan,
school,
tapos lumipat kaming Marikina, tumira kami sa parang bungalow na bahay, nag-rent
gets.
muna yung parents ko doon, tapos habang nagpagawa kami ng bahay sa Antipolo.
Siguro my
Like,
question is, bakit sobrang flop naman ng
script niya.
script niya? And also, I think what I want to know.
Si Attorney Failjoy kasi. Sama ng training.
Attorney Failjoy.
Failjoy.
I have yung ano ko,
Saan ka lumaki? Sa Isabel's farm?
lumaki po ako sa farm. My question is, why is it that, kasi obviously, itong Alice Go thing has become a joke and has become, this is how, before we did the pod, this is what I realized. Na ganitong kalala yung, this is how forgiving of a nation we are. Na people, we actually have a non-national, a foreigner, fake an identity, run for public office, and the most, I mean, aside from Senator Risa, is she's a meme.
Well, I mean, that's part of it.
Yeah.
Pero she's being grilled. We're
That's good.
getting, like, ang galing nung investigation.
But this is my question. Why her? Ano kaya yun? I'm sure may nangyari dyan. Kasi parang she's one out of thousands ng mga ganitong kagaguan. Like the Dargani thing, right?
We should ask Senator Risa to come back on the
We should
pod,
have
and
her
we
on
could
the
ask her,
pod.
like, how did you even, like, why did...
How did you get to this point? And parang, why is it na ganitong kaselect lang yung mga sumusulpot na ganito? Siguro
But I do-
the answer
but-
is the investigation.
But the great thing about it, I will say, is that the Pogo thing has been a problem for so long. And now, nabigyan siya ng face that even our generation and the younger generation is starting to understand better, because parang, oh my gosh, now I understand it, because you're not supposed to be here, but you're here and you're
Not
profiting,
paying
and you're
not
like,
paying taxes.
not paying taxes, you're harboring fugitives, you're doing illegal stuff, and now we have a face to it. So it's easier for us to understand and to rally together, I guess, to get them out of here. Yeah.
And ano nga, talagang aside from the illegal activities, I think it's the mere fact that they were in leadership positions pa.
Yeah.
I think yun yung malala.
Yeah.
Na parang not only are they doing illegal shit, they're stealing our taxes pa.
Yeah.
That's wild.
That's wild. That's wild. We should talk more about this. It's very what the sprackable.
Go nang go.
Let's get Senator Risa on the pod. Yeah.
Please, we'd love
Okay.
to have
Well,
Senator
research. Senator Research Ontiveros. Research yarn. Okay, so we're gonna end on a high note, because we do want to get some. Parang we this is also our time to get with the program.
Get with the program.
Get with the program. And we are seeing a lot of crazes about this girl band called Beanie. Sobrang para tayong boomers. This band named Beanie. And we would like to understand it, and we have never, I mean, of course I've seen all the posts about it, pero hindi pa ako nakakarinig ng kanta nila.
Yun pala yung tawag sa kanila.
Ano?
Bloom.
Blooms. Yun yung kung yung favorite ni Kyle, Twice. Yun yung K-pop. Tapos tawag sa mga fans nila Once. Is that funny? I mean, like, wala lang.
Twice, once. Can I guess?
BTS is, come on. We talked about Army. Soulja Boy.
Pero di ba so nasa gera yung mga yun ngayon?
Oo nga no, Army. They
Ba-
joined the Army. They're back.
So ano yun?
Some of them are back.
Marunong bumaril yung mga yan?
I guess.
Really?
I guess.
Like,
Yung mga
marunong-
yun?
No. I mean, like, so kung like, paano kung like, oh my God, may bomba! Biglang gaganon sila. Ganun?
At least makakaiwas sila lang. Because it's that night. Anyway, so I do wanna, let's watch yung hit na lang song is Pantropico.
Before that, I just wanna...
I know.
So,
Kasi maghuhulaan pa tayo ng ibang names.
yeah.
Give us other K-pop groups. Blackpink.
Blackpinkers?
Wait, no. Ano nga? Blink.
The Blinks.
Blinks, walang the. The Blinks.
Hi, we're
we're
the
the Blinks.
Blinks.
Red Velvet.
Cupcakes?
Cupcakes. I was gonna say also. Ano sila?
Velveteers?
Revelove. Revelove? Like, hi, we're the Revelovers? Hi, we're the
Hi,
Reveloves.
we're Revel
Parang siyang level up. Revelove. Revelove. Revelove.
Revel Love.
Revelove. Okay.
It's a tongue
Velvet
twister.
ears. Enhypen. Anong tawag sa kanila? NG? Engine. Like engine?
And Jean. Bakit Jean?
Ano yung isa? NST? Ano yung isa? NST? Or something? NCT, sorry. NC...
Ano?
Sorry, nagtatawanan ako. Clara's here. NST.
NSTP.
NST.
Ano sa kanila? NSDR?
NCT. Ano sila? Anong tawag sila? Bakit sila NCT? Ano yung sabihin nun? Neo Culture Technology. Parang, ano pong pangalan ng British company? Neo Culture Technologies po, Your Honor.
Grabe, ang layo. I mean, honestly, like, at least ours was like Backstreet Boys.
Anong tawag sa
Sa
fans?
mga
Wala,
fans?
fans lang.
BS Beers.
Wait.
Hindi ba?
Wala. Spice Girls, wala.
Spice World.
Wala. Wala rin. Walang tawag.
Really?
Wala. Like, anong tawag sa, so, Swifties, ang Taylor Swift, the Liebers.
Believers.
Wait, so yung NCT, ano ang pangalan? NCTzens.
That's,
Okay. Well, that's
okay.
pretty cool. Directioners, yung One Direction.
Really?
Lady Gaga is Monsters, My Little Monsters.
Ang ganda ng Lady Gaga.
Nicki Minaj is Barbs, right?
That's cool.
Beyonce, Bayhive.
I like Lady Gaga. I like yung Monsters. That's awesome.
Ano yung tawag kay
Parang
Chapel
yung direct-
Roan?
yung kay-
Pink Pony Girls?
Cute.
Cute. No, hindi pa sure.
Ay,
Ben
diba?
and Ben, anong tawag? Bensters. Liwanag.
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 Meron ng parang for me, yung One Direction. Come on, guys. Bakit Directioners?
Ewan ko. I think it's the fans who name themselves.
I know, pero I mean like, tingnan mo, you know why? Because Asians are fucking cool. Magaling ang Asians sa...
NCTzens.
May mga ganun sila eh.
Army.
I guess siguro itong mga European boys, parang...
Magaling yung Believers. I gotta say, like, that was pretty cool.
Believer is cool.
Right?
Believer is cool.
Ano tawag? Selenators? Selenators? Jelena. Uy, wala nang ganun. Okay.
Sex
Sila-
bomb
si-
girls. Kurimaw boys? What's Kurimaw?
Oh my God! Gago. Sex bomb girls. Huh? Kurimaw? Kurimaw is like parang, ewan ko, I don't know. That was a term before. Do you know the artist Lau Fei? Sorry, Leve. Lani?
Now
Leve.
opening in Trinoma, Lani!
Misa Lucha!
Indie rock band. Nandito na ang indie rock band
Yung fans-
from America.
Yung fans daw ng
Lani.
Yung fans daw ng Lainey Kakampinks yung tawag. That's funny. Kay Lainey tayo. Charot. Okay. Nasaan na tayo?
Ano ba? From, kasi kung ano,
Wait, gusto ko nang manood ng Pantropiko. Okay.
sige.
Gagalit
Before
na.
we end,
Okay.
thank you to everyone who joined Playback. We'll be back tomorrow.
We will be back tomorrow.
To mga playbackers.
Okay ba? Sa ating mga wake-uppers.
Mga
Wake up niche.
Playbackeries.
Sa ating mga gising na gising dyan.
mga papi playbacks.
Paps Black. Paps. Paps
mga
Black.
Paps Blacks. Mga Paps Blacks. We'll be back tomorrow. Is 10 a.m. good? Musta?
Yeah, okay naman.
Okay.
Ano yung pangalan ng fans ni Sabrina Carpenter? Ano? Tools? Ganun?
Mga karpintero.
Hammers?
Karpintero.
Tama. Yeah. Okay. Contractor. Sa fans ng cheats. Ano ba nga? We couldn't find. Ano? Cheats fam. Cheatsnatics. Tornillos. Pangalan lang fancy Sabrina Carpenter Tornillos.
Before we end, please, again, we'd like
Hindi tayo mag-eenda kasi mag-react tayo sa Pantropiko.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Okay na? Ay, wait, may dance siya? Okay, YouTube. Ooh, so we can stream.
Wow, so naging international na tong
Benny. International na ba sila?
Wow. Awesome.
Okay,
It's
wait.
amazing.
Paano to?
Wala. Ikaw ba?
Ay,
Ginagawa mo?
Wait. Mali.
Well, anyway, mga plackbacks.
Plackbacks.
Mga plackbackies.
Plackback.
It was cool. Then,
Let us know.
tuloy namin. But we'll be back tomorrow. Yeah. So, ito. Anyway, ito yung beanie.
Naba yung Okay, ilan sila? Ilan sila sa group? Love. Ooh, it's so beauty. Cute. Love the makeup. Fresh. Oh, alam mo na, gagayahinan pa, Jim, ha? Ganun talaga yung mga may fans. I mean, they do that for their fans. Yung mga may fans. Oh.
Ikaw ay nasilayan sa di kinakalang panahon. Lumapit ng biglaan, para bang di nakataon. Ito nga ba'y tadhana, tangi kong hiling sa mga tala. Mga pintig ng puso'y nakalaan para sa'yo. Follow your footprints in the sand, walking with you on this island. Guided by the grip of your hand, I can feel you holding my world. Ano ba itong nadarama?
Alam ko tong kanta, alam ko to.
Ibig na, totoo ba ang pinagama? 'Cause boy, it feels so good. Bawat aroma sumasaya, magmula nang nakita ka. Nawawala ng pangangamba, pag ika'y kapiling na. Feels like someone I'm with you, parang islang pantropiko. Can't wait to go back with you, sa islang pantropiko. Sa islang pantropiko.
Wait, alam mo sa Spotify na pinapatutog natin.
Hindi. So,
Okay
Anyway.
lang yan, clip.
Okay,
Yeah,
yeah.
that was fun. I get it. Nice. I mean, I get it. How do I stop this? Yan, okay. I get it. Super
so
galing.
yun yung
Salamin.
yan yung
Di ba
solid
kanta ni
na
Sarah G yun, Salamin?
Pinoy Pride.
Salamin. Di ba meron siyang kanta na Salamin? Hindi, pero anyway. Di ba banda ni ano yun? Paolo Valenciano. meron. Hindi. yung umiikot-ikot.
Ikot-ikot lang.
Ikot-ikot lang. Ikot-ikot lang? Sarah G yun. Ikot-ikot.
Okay.
Love it. Should we get Beanie on the pod? Yeah, powerful. So, hi, any blooms out there? Let's get them on the podcast. And then, I don't know, let's learn the dance. I get it. And I will listen to Salamin. Sila ba yung may... Sorry, wait lang. Kasi there's this girl group na pinanood ko before na I love their music videos. Sila rin ba yun? Yung parang very colorful yung... Sila yun? Tapos ang galing na lang sumayaw. Yung parang sa museum sila na candy. Yun. I like that group. Yes. Love it. Okay. Love it. Okay. Lagi. All right. That's it.
PB
La.
So again,
Lagi.
if you're listening
Mali.
to this on
That's a Sam
Spotify, you
Concepcion
can join us. If you're listening to this on Spotify or watching on YouTube or whatever, you can join us by going to playback.
Yes. And we're gonna see you, PB Natix.
So we can be live. I guess in the next few episodes, we're gonna do Ala Radio. May mga giveaway.
You know what?
for
I
callers.
really like this. Send us some of the videos that you want us to watch live for the first time with you guys, because
okay, cool.
I'm really enjoying it. Let's react together, and I don't know.
Yeah.
That was
Okay.
fun. Bye!
Bye!
Ay, gusto ko na yan. Try not to laugh challenge. Bye!